Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say my friend. In French, how do you pronounce this phrase? No, it's not ho ho ho, mon ami. No, it's as mon ami, mon ami. Although you wouldn't necessarily very often, if at all in France, address people, even people that are your friends, as mon ami. That's just a bit of a cliche from movies, but you don't really do that in France. But if you're talking about your friend, yes, you're saying your friend is nice, then yes, you would start your sentence by saying mon ami est gentil, for example. But you wouldn't address people as ho, mon ami. That's cliche, I'm afraid, but that's how you say it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting and useful French vocabulary and French names that many mispronounce. Absolutely, you won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.